Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to stop a non-responding program when your Task Manager application fails. So we've all been there before. If we try to open up Task Manager and there was a process that was taking up quite a bit of our memory and it was about to crash, we might want to just turn it off. So if we right click on it and left click on End Task, you might get a pop-up saying that whatever this process is not responding. Windows can check online for a solution. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys an easy way on how to resolve most of these issues. So we're going to actually go on the internet here, going to navigate over to google.com, and you want to go and type in Process Explorer. One of the best links should be from a Microsoft domain here. So this is a completely free Microsoft application, or was acquired by Microsoft. Basically, it will provide functionality of the Windows Task Manager with different features about collecting information about processes. So this can be used a lot for debugging purposes, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to end processes that just do not stop, or have a memory leak or something along those lines. So I'm actually just going to download it right off this page. Process might look a little different depending on when you watch a video because everything changes over time, but just want to give you guys an idea. So I'm going to open up the application. So the one that doesn't have 64 in the name is for 32-bit systems. The one that has 64 is for 64-bit systems. So I'm a 32-bit computer here. So I'm running a 32-bit computer here. I'm going to just left click on Run. I'm going to run it again. Agree to the terms. And there you go, guys. This is a very powerful tool. I've used it in quite a few of my earlier tutorials testing different software, and this can definitely have applications well beyond that as well. So let's say there's a processor we were looking to stop. So I want to go down to a non-critical one. So let's say our OneDrive.exe we want to terminate it. I'm going to right click on it, left click on Kill Process. Are you sure you want to stop OneDrive.exe? Left click on OK. And there you go, guys. It's gone. There's no hassle. There's no fuss. You're not having Task Manager crash on you while you were terminating it. It's that simple. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.